Imperia Gold Glass Coatings brings with it exquisite finishes for glass. The finishes are transparent and frosted, opaque, metallic, designer splatter, marble and granite, stencils. Surface preparation. Kindly do the masking properly. Masking at the back is a must.
After the entire application is over, please remove the paper.
Clean the glass surface with cloth soaked in PU thinner to remove grease, oil, dirt or anything. Transparent and frosted finish. Imperia Gold Clear Glass Coatings is a 4x1 PU system meant for glass base is mixed with the hardener in the ratio of 4x1 and special glass coating PU thinner is added into it by the volume of 30 to 35% to make it ready for spray application. Imperia Gold Clear Glass Coating base can be tinted with Imperia Gold Dyes, post which the hardener and the thinner needs to be added as per the prescribed ratio. Dyes to be added 5% by volume of the entire mixture of base and hardener. Clear glass coating is available in gloss and matte. Tinted gloss finishes give transparent look on the glass, whereas clear matte or tinted matte finishes give the frosted look. Opaque finish. For opaque finishes, we have Imperia Gold Glass Coatings, white, both matte and gloss. Mix Imperia Gold Glass Coatings white gloss or matte base with the hardener by the ratio of 4x1. And add 30 to 35% glass coatings PU thinner. Apply it by spray gun. metallic finish, a part of opaque finish. Imperia Gold Glass Coatings, Sunlit Gold or Sparkling Silver is a 4x1 PU system. Where the base is mixed with the hardener in the ratio of 4:1 and special glass coating PU thinner is added into it by the volume of 30 to 35% to make it ready for spray application. Imperia Gold Glass Coatings, Sunlit Gold or Sparkling Silver can even be tinted with Imperia Gold Dyes and Imperia Gold Machine colorants. Dyes added will be 5% by volume of the base and hardener mixture, post which the hardener and thinner needs to be added as per the prescribed ratio. Application to be done by spray. Designer finish. Granite. Apply Imperia Gold Dyes by spray on clear glass. Imperia Gold Dyes to be diluted in the ratio of 1:2 with glass coating PU thinner and then to be sprayed. Allow the dyes to dry. Apply designer finish thinner to obtain the desired pattern. The pattern can be made big or small depending upon the customer requirement. Apply Imperia Gold Glass Coatings, Sunlit Gold or Sparkling Silver. One can tint it with Imperia Gold Dyes or Imperia Gold Machine colorants. Remove paper pasted with the masking tape. The desired finish is obtained. splatter. Apply Imperia Gold Dyes by spray on clear glass. Imperia Gold Dyes to be diluted in the ratio of 1:2 with glass coating PU thinner and then to be sprayed. Allow the dyes to dry. Apply designer finish thinner to obtain the desired pattern. The pattern can be made big or small depending upon the customer requirement. Apply Imperia Gold Glass Coating White Gloss. Mixing ratios have been discussed earlier. Remove paper pasted with the masking tape. The desired finish is obtained. Marble. Apply Imperia Gold Dyes by spray. Imperia Gold Dyes to be diluted in the ratio of 1:2 with glass coating PU thinner and then to be sprayed. Allow the dyes to dry. Apply designer finish thinner in slanting way to create the patterns of the marble. Apply Imperia Gold Glass Coating White Gloss. Mixing ratios have been discussed earlier. Remove paper pasted with the masking tape. The desired finish is obtained. Designer finish through stencils. While pasting the stencil, kindly do the masking properly. Masking at the back is a must. Clean the glass surface with cloth soaked in PU thinner to remove grease, oil, dirt or anything. Paste Imperia Gold Glass Designs stencils properly. Please ensure that no air bubble is present in the stencil after pasting. Apply Imperia Gold Glass Coatings,
Sunlit Gold or Sparkling Silver.
both of them can be tinted with dyes as mentioned earlier, or apply Imperia Gold tinted glass coatings on the stencil pasted glass substrate. Immediately after application on the stencil, please remove the stencil. We will see that the impression of the stencil has come onto the surface. If any adhesive marks are visible, please remove it using MTO. Apply Imperia Gold Transparent Glass Coatings or Imperia Gold Metallic Glass Coatings. Contrasting color compared to the stencil design obtained over the stencil design. Remove paper pasted with the masking tape. The desired finish is obtained.